Okay, here's the EY3 back in its case. I got 15 records on it, so we're weighing it down. Let's see what it'll do. Each night you appear so beautiful case. So tender, so lovely. The girl of my dreams is the sweetest girl of all the girls I know. Sounds good. It's ejecting fine. I polished the case a little bit. I didn't really polish it, I just cleaned it. It's nice and shiny. What a beautiful case. These records are old, so they are a little scratchy. Ejecting fine with 15 records.
Something in the air. Listen to the sound now. Come from everywhere.
And I'll show you the take up here. Perfect. Awesome record player.
Tell your daddy and your mama too. You got something better to do. Stick around the house the rest of your life. You're 18, you can do what you like. You be the queen.
What a sound. That's real low. And it's got plenty of volume.
Get matching jackets and hair helmets too. We'll get respect from the towns we ride through.
That ain't even all the way.
Green grass and in the squares won't buy. We'll let them pass. You'll be the queen of my highway. A motorcycle mama. We'll see the world from my Harley.
Awesome record player. RCA made some incredible 45 players. This cleaner I put on is not going to stay as nice as it is. It will dry up, but it'll keep it shiny for a while, and the case is shiny. Just wiping it down every once in a while will keep it shiny, and it'll actually shine more and more as you clean it and wipe it down. All I'm using is some actually stainless steel cleaner. Does a great job on Bakelite. I'm using this here, stainless steel polish. Does an incredible job on this Bakelite. I've been using it for years on radios and record players. Very quiet in between records.
On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both
What a
too
beautiful
tired to
record
sleep,
player.
so we took
Got
turns
the
staring
dog still on it, the
out the
Victoria
window
dog.
at the darkness.
Look at that reflection of the records in the top in the lid. And that's just beautiful.
Out of reading people's faces.
Yeah, I can't let that play too long because YouTube copyright issues. I got to keep it going, but just wanted to show. So it works on newer records as well as older records. Does pretty good on thin and thick records. Some of them have to be resized a little with like a pocket knife or something because they're too small. They don't make them like they used to. But these I haven't done that to. These are just straight records, and you see that's probably a 90s or 2000s record, and it's doing fine. And you can see I got a variety of music, a variety of age of records, different thinness and thickness of records.
Going down that long, lonesome highway, bound for the mountains and the plains. Sure ain't nothing.
Try to get it at the end again. We'll see the eject. It's a little hard for me to do. Okay, it's pretty close there.
Live life my way. Yes, I'm going down that lonesome highway.
If some of this sounds distorted, it would have been YouTube editing the video to make it distorted because it's copyrighted material. So it's not distorted at all. It sounds great. And they probably won't because these are older songs. The copyright should be out on them. Sometimes I have to tell it to remove a song from the playlist. And something like this is still copyrighted. But what a dynamic range. You know, the highs, the lows, and yet quiet in between records, no hum. I changed both of those old electrolytics and put new ones in. Recapped the whole unit. Changed 2 resistors, I believe. And it does fine. Now that record you can hear is a little scratchy. Yeah, I'll probably pitch that one. That's one that I've used too many times on older record players, trying to see if they even work. And the old needles will scratch a record. But this is a new cartridge with a new diamond needle. You can tell it's a diamond needle with that sound.
She took my love, then ran around with every
No hum at all.
guy in town.
Close the cover. Gives it much more acoustical sound. Adds a lot of bass. Look at that case. And that's just so beautiful. It's got a few places where there's some paint and stuff, but that'll come off over time of cleaning. You see it comes right off. Some of it in the back here is a little bit harder to get off, but it's starting to come off. This polish is breaking it up. And this is the first time I've tried it with 15 records. But you can hear it. It's working fine. No dragging, no slipping of the records. 15 records. What a high end. It does the bass and it'll do the high end really well. Very good amplifier. Okay, well there you have it. This EY3 record player is ready to go back to its owner, and I appreciate him sending it in to be repaired. This is a family heirloom. The original owner of the record player in 1951 bought this, or bought it home rather, from RCA Victor, where he worked. And so this has been in their family ever since it was built. And he bought it from work. He also bought a lot of 45s that they made over time, and they got a complete library of RCA Victor records that came in with it, that he accumulated over time. So this will go back to him. Now there is a screw missing up here, and I don't have one that'll match it. I'm going to try to put something in there that'll look like that, or at least hold it up so that this is still working, but the original screw is gone, and I don't know what that is, and I don't have a replacement that is exactly the same. But you can't see that unless you look up there, right? I mean, it's up in the top. In fact, it looks like somebody had replaced these, because they put Phillips screws in here, and those are not exact either. Originally, they would have been slotted screws. All the screws would be slotted. So I'll try to find one that fits in there, but other than that, everything's original. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found this video interesting. This is the final demo, and I will be uploading videos of the process of rebuilding it and linking them together. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.